Okay, this is the bottom, the left side of the bottom. I want to show you, this hole here is the original for this framework. And it's about an inch. Maybe it's actually more than an inch that we had to move it over. So the new refrigerator is a little bit wider. You can see that line. This edge was all the way over here. And the back was the same dimension. It was correct. Now we just had to make a correction, and it now follows this edge. And it looks like we're going to have to push this in just a little bit here. That shouldn't be much of a problem. And behind this panel is all the insulation that we attached with the silicone adhesive. Going to work out pretty good. Wow, here's the results. It's in. Let's do the freezer first. This is just huge. Huge. Really nice. Wow. And now the main compartment. This thing's massive. So much bigger than our old refrigerator. Wow. This is huge. It's almost the size that we'd see in a house. It's almost 10 square feet. It's just very, very big. We're thrilled with it.